So good day everyone, good day sir. Today I'm going to present to you and explain this game asset generator that I made. It's like a super cool that uses these sign patterns that make our code like so much cleaner and easier to maintain. So first, let's do the imports na kailangan nato. So first, um, let's talk about the interfaces. So in interfaces, these are like the blueprints for everything. So make the interface para sa to ang game character, itong weapon, o sa power ups. So buhat ganing what the character does when they attack and get their man ilahan type like warrior ba sila, mage, and then description of the character. And that goes the same with the other interfaces. So these are the contracts that all our game assets na follow. So it's like a promise that if you are a game character, you must have these methods so that it makes our code like super consistent siya. Now for the game asset factory na interface. So this game asset factory is for creating different themes items. So it's like our abstract factory pattern. So we can have a medieval factories, futuristic factories, whatever. So each creates its own family of products. Interface for the prototype. And now for the character classes. So now let's look at the character implementations where implement na natin mga character, which is sina warrior, mage, archer. So each class has like sariling attack style and description. So the other warrior is siya, mag-slash siya with a mighty sword. And let's also do another code for the mage, in which ang mage guy mag-cast siya o ganang fireballs, where the archer shoots arrows. So each has their own unique implementations but follows the same game character contract. Now for the character factory. So this is our factory method pattern na dili ma-implement po. So in this character factory, This factory is maka-create siya og any na registered character type dynamically. And the best part is we can add new characters without modifying the factory. So we can just register them using the register character na method. And now, let's look at the weapons na po. The weapons na po ng mga classes. So here, so weapons na classes. So each weapons has its own use, method, and properties. And we have both medieval weapons, which is ang katong sword, bow, and staff. And futuristic weapons naman is kanang for the laser swords, blaster, energy staff, kanang mga futuristic na good na mga weapon that implements the same weapon interface. Also, same po siya sa ato ang power apps. Ato kung i-require nato na health boost, implement niya ang power app. And now, for our factories, so here's where it gets really mas ningit na siya because today ay di ba natin medieval factory yung ato for the game asset factory. So each factory creates items that match its theme. So yes, any medieval factory creates medieval na items. So the futuristic creates futuristic na items. So pero ang duha is nag-follow sila of the same as kanang the same so na follow sila the same game asset factory interface. So this is the ginatawag nato na abstract factory na pattern. So now we have the theme manager that manages all these factories. Syempre na dapat nag-manage ang mga factories. So we can easily switch between themes without changing our code. Muna siya ang itong nag-manage para sa manager natin today. So we can just ask the theme manager for a factory that gives us the right one for the theme na gusto nato. And now, for the builder pattern. So, ang napili natin na pattern diyan is builder and prototype. So here, for the builder pattern, we can build a complex characters step by step with a custom mga custom ng mga attributes. So instead of having a constructor with daghan kayo ng mga parameters, we use builder to set only na mga kailangan nato. And now, for the prototype, so sa prototype na to, here na pattern, ang pulusan niya is to mag-clone taog enemies instead of creating new ones from the scratch. So we use prototype to clone enemies, and we have also create taog enemy na registry that stores a prototypes na ato ang i-clone. Now, the game asset generator na class that ties everything together with a nice menu system. So diri ato ang main class, ang ato ang game asset generator. So ang ato main class, which is the game asset generator, ano siya ato ang main controller na nag-use sa ato ang tanan ng mga patterns. So it provides a user-friendly interface to all the functionality na ato ang gi-build using these design patterns. So this is like a super comprehensive, because the patterns really make the code flexible and organized. So we can easily add new characters, weapons, power-ups, themes, everything without breaking the existing code. So the patterns make our code like so much more maintainable and extensible. So naata diri kani display na welcome, which is mo ning sugat sa atua if ato ana ning i-run ang ato ang system. So siya kanang fancy welcome message na siya when if ato ang i-start ang ato ang program. Now, we also have our display main menu. So here, nadiri ato ang mga options na ato ang pagpilian. So it's like our main navigation system. So in which here sa ato ang display main menu, users can see all the cool things they can do with our asset generator. Now, uh, din mo naatay kaning get input, in which kani siya is like input at parang input validation gud nato, in which it makes sure na tama ang atong i-enter na number, and nag-exist siya, dili siya dapat text. So this is like very important, no, because prevent niya ato ang program from crashing if ang users nag-enter siya ng ABC instead of number. So it keeps asking until it gets valid integer. So now we have the character, the create character. I mean, now for our main functionality din siya. So this use the character factory to like create a characters based on user input. So it shows the available characters and asks niya a user which one na ang gusto, and then it uses our factory patterns to create it. So if the user mag-enter siya og kanang invalid na type, it catches error gracefully. So, jud bantayan niya. And now for our explore themes, man siya is in-explore niya diri natong diri mga options for exploring the different themes and their assets. So here it uses our theme manager, theme manager na class and abstract factory to show all the weapons and the power ups na available in each theme. So the user can see what each item does and how it behaves. And now for update build custom character. So this is where na use na to ang builder pattern to create a custom characters. So instead of creating a predefined na mga characters, mga users can customize everything, type of weapon, spell, health, and mana. So the builder here, the builder patterns makes this like more super flexible and easy to use. And then the clone enemies. Muna siya diri pod ma-demonstrate ang ato ang prototype na pattern. So here, users can create an enemy template and store it in the registry, and then clone as many copies as mga gusto. Clone sila og mga pila ka copies ng ilang gusto, which is very efficient siya because we're not creating new enemies from scratch each time. So one button is to clone it. And then the show how. So here option siya the users in which naga user manual na built right into the program. So here it explains what each menu options does and gives helpful na tips ang dili na saan ang mga users paggamit ani na system. So this makes our program like much more user friendly siya. So all these mga subclasses work together to provide a complete user experience. So guys, para sa ito ninyo, atong gibuhat na factory method pattern is katong sa ato ang character factory. Atong abstract factory pattern is gamit na ito siya for ato ang game asset factory with atong medieval na factory and futuristic na factory. Atong builder pattern, gamit na ito siya for a complex character na builder. Para ma-create yung mga character with many customizable mga attributes in a step-by-step way. Pero, so, what na yung mga messy na mga constructors na kailangan. And the prototype is gamit na to siya for enemy cloning. Mas efficient siya for creating a multiple copies of the enemy para di na kailangan mag-overhead of creating them from scratch code of each time. So perfect siya for like spawning multiple enemies sa tandula. So kaya siya ng mga patterns make our code like really organized and maintainable, diba? Since exactly each patterns is na sila kanya-kanyang mga responsibilidad. Like sa factories nag-handle siya ng mga object creations. The builder nag-handle siya pa ng mga complex na constructions. Now, i-run na nato siya para matanaw na to ang output and para may gawa nito para saan siya pag-work. So, muna siya ang ato ang intro. Kita na to diri is isulat taog kaning welcome. Welcome game developer. Let's create something amazing. So natin main menu here. So itong main menu natin diri natin mga options from 1 to 6. And first is kita na to create a character. So let's create a character daw. Choose an integer 1. So na available characters diri with descriptions. Natay warrior, mage, and the archer. So let's choose mage. Successful created mage. Mage casts a powerful fireball. Please enter to continue. Enter na to. Enter na po tag another menu. So let's try number 2. So natay duha ka na themes, the futuristic and the medieval. Try na to ang medieval lang. So the medieval fantasy theme, labas diri ang mga weapons and the power ups. So please enter to continue. And number 3 is for the build a custom character. So here, maaaring ma-create ako custom character using the builder na pattern. So, insert ka na type, character. Type archer. Choose weapon. Weapon is yun na to, samurai. Spell, spell, tahay. Spell niya is immortality. Pero hindi siya matay. Archer tapos. Weapon, samurai, sige lang. Set of health niya, 200. Mana, 100. So, na-create ta of character. Archer, and then weapon, spell. Wait pa daw ito ka natin. Create tag. Tahay. Elf. And then weapon niya is 1. Choose a spell. Young spell is yung siya Zinto. I don't know. So Zinto. Stealth health is 200. And then mana 150. So na-create na po tag another character na stats. Press enter continue. And then for cloning, create. Choose number 4. So let's create an enemy template to clone. So, kung search na type of enemy, tayo mo yung tag orcs. Uy, orcs. Ay, orcs. So, enemy. Health niya yung tag 100. Power 100 yapon. So, na-create ka of enemy. So, pila ato ang gusto na i-clone ani, pila ka mo ka itong i-create. Yung tag 10. 10 ka enemy. So here, na-create siya of 10 ka orcs with a health of 100 and attack of 100. So orcs attacks with 100 damage. Please enter for continue. Then kaning number 5 is for the health and information siya. And kita diri information. And number 6 is exit. And then, that's all. And thank you for using the game asset generator. Happy game development. So that's all for my game asset generator activity. I hope you liked it.